Yes, today we are discussing about sound of vowel OA words. Today we are going to learn sound of vowel OA words. OA words is pronounced as O. OA is pronounced as O. Good. We take some example. L-O-A-D, Lord. We are discuss thus that OA is pronounced as O. That's why there are L-O-A-D, Lord. R-O-A-D, Rod. T-O-A-D, Todd. C-O-A-L, Call. G-O-A-L, Gall. F-O-A-L, Fall. B-O-A-T, Bought. C-O-A-T, Caught. G-O-A-T, Got. F-O-A-M, Form. R-O-A-M, Rom. Good. Now we are continue OI words. Okay, OI words. Sound of vowel OI words is pronounced as Oi. Good. Sound of vowel OI words is pronounced as Oi. Good. One more time, I repeating. The sound of vowel OI words is pronounced as Oi. Now we take some example. Look carefully. Now we take some example. Please look carefully. B-O-I-L, boil. C-O-I-L, coil. F-O-I-L, foil. S-O-I-L, soil. C-O-I-N, coin. J-O-I-N, join. Good, clear? Now we take related words, OE words. Good. The sound of vowel OE words is pronounced as O. Good. The sound of vowel OE is pronounced as O. Good. We take some example. D-O-E, do. D-O-E, do. F-O-E, for. HOE ho, TOE to, WOE wo. Finish. Bye bye.